She drank this 3-ingredient elixir and her abdomen returned to being flat. It is a fast and fantastic method. Virtually all women, once, have faced a few inches more in the abdomen and waist area, just before a major event or a holiday trip. When the evening dress or bathing suit gets too tight, it is worth taking drastic measures and detoxifying the body quickly. Within a week, this elixir will help you get rid of the excessive centimeters in the abdomen area, thanks to its wonderful property of removing toxins and cleansing the body. Of course, healthy eating and proper exercise are your best friends, and grapefruit shake simply speeds up the result. You can lose up to 1 centimeter every 24 hours. Elixir of grapefruit. Ingredients: 1. 150 milliliters of grapefruit juice. 2. 1 tablespoon honey. 3. 2 tablespoons of natural apple vinegar. 4. 50 milliliters of sparkling water. Preparation: 1. First, dissolve the honey in the juice, then add the water and apple cider vinegar. Consume this drink 2 times a day, 15 minutes before lunch and dinner. 2. Grapefruit juice has been used to fight against excessive weight for a long time. The secret is that it is very rich in flavonoids, which help the body to get rid of excessive fluid and fight against cellulite. Precautions to be taken: those with gastrointestinal disorders or other chronic conditions should consume this drink with care. Save yourself this elixir recipe to lose weight. It can be useful in an unexpected moment. I ask 3